ginanong ko, ginanong ko. Points din.
Good day and welcome to the Senior Basketball Club. We are excited to welcome all participating schools, athletes, coaches, parents, alumni, and supporters for the full day of competition, sportsmanship, and community. As we begin today's service, we encourage everyone to contribute to your respect for all teams, officials, event staff, and fellow spectators throughout the tournament. We wish all participating athletes the best of luck, and we hope everyone enjoys this super tournament. We leave friends are available at the museum with the university. We invite everyone to visit and support the art and science partners throughout the businesses, including Blue Red, Draft Club, Three Reasons Studios, Ford, and DGC, Skype, Beach Barbecue, and Green. Be sure to drop by the museum and enjoy great food and refreshments while supporting the Savior Gospel. Thank you. This is a family man who peaceful man with personal belongings and the point of unit on the family. For everyone's safety and security, we encourage all families to keep an eye on their belongings, including bags, gadgets, and other equipment. We also ask everyone to cooperate with the security personnel and the best staff in helping you safe and finding the environment. Thank you for your cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event is proudly supported by our valued event partners and sponsors. None of this would have been possible without their awesome sponsors who support the videos and help create a meaningful experience for all participating athletes this week. Our exclusive sponsor, Big Ass, our gold sponsor, Lotus, our silver sponsors, Meltex, Arborine, Rivisible, Land Express, Megaservice, St. Patrick's
Hindi mo naman ito first job.
Campus Sports, Hurricane, Fana, and Blue. Our God sponsors, Emerald Lights, Blade, Cosmetic Asian Corporation, Cutting Edge, Enzyme Hospital and Salamanca, Valley Care Purified Drinking Water, Mega One Construction, New Core, No Problems, Garnet Garden Master, Basic Pharmaceutical Corporation, Medida, Infinite, Dexter, Liquid Technologies, James Company, Megagram, and to our media one, Chinoy
O parang ano lang, dahil sa
Thank you for
parang
knowledge
hindi ka
and accept the Savior Gospel.
tama.
Once again, thank you to all our sponsors and partners for supporting grassroots sport, student athletes, and the Savior Gospel. Maraming salamat and enjoy your lives. May we have everyone's attention for a few tutorials. Outside food deliveries and event partners are not we also ask all players in attendance to use the restrooms to reduce this problem. The restrooms are intended for training and personal directions. We believe that we will always use the facilities to respect the needs of the people. In addition, we encourage everyone to adopt independent living and working and properly dispose of the trash in the designated places around the world. Let us all work together to maintain a safe, clean, and respectful environment throughout the Savior Gospel. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoyment. Thank you to all Mississippi schools, athletes, coaches, parents, alumni, sponsors, and supporters for being part of the Savior Gospel. We hope everyone enjoyed today's matches and continues to celebrate the values, sportsmanship, teamwork, and community throughout the week. From all of us at the Savior Gospel Development, thank you for being part of this joyous celebration of Christmas. 88 years, over 1,500 athletes, countless homes together. This is the 7th Savior Gospel going to the world.
自己工作是为。
sa akin, na magiging ganun na mabuti ka na hindi ka mag-ibig, di ba?
Gadget. Pero we'll find election mo na.
Kasi going to go to the sir. Yung talagang ano,
Gabi.
talagang ano talaga. Matagal na lang talaga tayo.
Yes. You should be there, Elise. Doon ka.
So, really take time.
Elise, Elise, sa kanila ka.
Pero kapag ano lang, at least ang talagang damdamin mo lang normal yun. Ano mo dapat yung lumabas ka.
Oh, Gabi.
You bring your family. Ito naman ang backpage, girl. Dali. Volleyball ba yung pupuntahan mo?
Ano naman papakita?
Ay, ito naman. Joy. Ay, college ba yan? Or high school? Yung high school na boys, Ateneo, ka-friend namin ni Gabi, yung isa doon, Cruz, yung last one. Ay, yes.
Ano lang, ano lang.
Okay pa. We're going to find Lexico. Yeah.
Laban lang Parang yung buong ano